12 heart-healthy 20-minute dinners for weight loss. These delectable dinner recipes keep you on schedule while also benefiting your heart health. Each serving contains no more than 575 calories and at least 6 grams of fiber, keeping the meal light but filling. Furthermore, these meals are minimal in saturated fat and sodium to support a heart-healthy eating routine. In just 20 minutes or less, you can enjoy quick, tasty, and nutritious recipes like our mahi-mahi fish tacos and stuffed sweet potato with hummus dressing. 1. Chickpea and quinoa grain bowl. Grain bowls appear to have as many variations as there are stars in the sky, and there is no wrong way to create one. But we prefer to keep things basic and simple with hummus, quinoa, avocado, and lots of veggies. 2. Mahi-mahi fish tacos. The heated pan crusts the chili-coated fish in this mahi-mahi fish taco recipe. The richness of the avocado sauce matches the sharp crunch of the jicama, and it's all ready in 20 minutes. 3. Mixed greens with lentils and sliced apple. This lentil, feta, and apple salad makes a filling vegetarian meal. To save time, use drained canned lentils. Just opt for low-sodium varieties and give them a rinse before adding them to the salad. 4. Sweet potato stuffed with hummus dressing. Sweet potato stuffed with hummus dressing. This stuffed sweet potato with black beans, spinach, and hummus dressing is a hearty and simple 5-ingredient lunch for one. Salad with avocado, tuna, and spinach. 5. Greg Dupree avocado tuna spinach salad. In this simple tuna spinach salad, avocado provides creaminess and sunflower seeds offer structure and crunch. 6. Scallion ginger salmon cakes in record time. These quick scallion ginger salmon cakes are ideal for hectic weeknights. Salmon is seasoned with fresh ginger and onions, and water chestnuts offer a crunchy texture. The sesame ginger sauce is smooth and refreshing. You may make these simple salmon cakes with cooked salmon fillets or canned salmon. 7. Edamame and veggie rice bowl. The ingredients in this vegan grain bowl recipe can be prepared ahead of time for a quick work lunch. The tart citrus dressing pairs well with the sweet caramel of the roasted sheet pan vegetables. 8. Soup with loaded black bean nachos. Add your favorite nacho toppings, such as cheese, avocado, and fresh tomatoes, to a can of black bean soup. A pinch of smoked paprika offers a robust flavor kick, but any warm spices, such as cumin or chili powder, can be used. Look for a soup with no more than 450 milligrams of salt per serving. 9. Chopped salad with chicken and creamy chipotle dressing. The creamy chipotle dressing adds a smoky and tangy note to this chopped salad with chicken. Cilantro gives a burst of freshness to every meal. 10. Tex-Mex pasta salad. A light and creamy green salsa dressing emphasizes this simple pasta salad with southwestern tastes. 11. Spinach and dill pasta salad. Edamame adds a protein boost to this veggie-packed vegan pasta salad. If preferred, serve with additional freshly ground pepper. 12. Italian penne with tuna. Tuna penne in Italian. Do you need a quick pasta dish that's tasty and colorful? This penne pasta dinner for two mixes leeks, baby spinach, tuna, and sun-dried tomatoes, and it's done in just 20 minutes.